Hello guys, it is Mighty Quinn 227, and we'll be getting into another Clash Royale video. I'm not gonna tell you what we're doing right now. I'll tell you when I get into the app, obviously. But we are doing, we are going to do how the tornado spell is good. I have level 3 tornado, and I'm just gonna play some battles. Put down a dance skeleton right there. Okay, he put down a balloon. Put down some guards, and here's the tornado. That's how the tornado works. I'm not going to be as well, because, I have to hold this camera. I'm just going to let the hog be. And that giant skeleton's going to crush that tower. We're going to put down a Sparky to counter that giant, obviously. Oh! Sparky hit it. I may put another Sparky right there. Let's go. No, he did not. I think we just won. Whoa! I think we won already. Bad thing, the tornado does not do damage to the towers. I think this match is over. Let's just do the little tornado spell. Okay, you only saw the tornado once there, but I'm gonna show you a couple TV Royale replays. And yep. Let's look for someone in this arena with a tornado in his deck. Let's go to Arena 6, because that's where the most common one will be, I think. Okay, come on. Yeah, okay, this guy's a level 3 one. Because in the shop, you got 10, and when you get 10, you can level it up to a level 3. Okay. Guys, crying like a little baby. Puts down a golem, he puts down a giant skeleton. Oh yeah, obviously one of them's a level 1, because it's TV Royale. Those spear gods are going to do work. No, I'm just kidding. I just don't think it's very smart to have it be a level 9. See, there's this tornado. See, look. That tornado just did a great job with the skeleton army. So it's like a zap, but a little bit better because it pulls it back and stuff. But it does cost me a little. But I think it's better. Okay. Oh gosh, this is going to be a really quick battle. No, TV Royale. Just got in TV Royale. I'm guessing level 1's actually going to win. Guess it. Some tornado spell that I think. See, look. Tornado spell. Tornado log. Yeah. Next gen level 1 is blue. So that's so late. What? Why are you putting the goblin barrel there, dummy? You could just run there. Oh my gosh. Oh, come on. people these days. Did you just... This is so bad. I bet you, this guy's those cons, you could get to like a level. Like a really high level. You know why? He's only level 8. How does he have a level 5 Valkyrie? He's only level 1. So weird. Yeah, I think he's actually gonna win. The other guy's gonna win. Oh my gosh. Crazy, crazy here first. He shot here first. He's gonna take down the other tower. You better not poison. I think he just lost. Gonna lose. He is. Oh my. Oh, okay. Poison. 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 Oh no. You be done. Sorry, but the game's over. I knew it. How did Quinn know? Because he's awesome. Subscribe for more. And then I'll be showing you in 14 days the Barbarians. And they're very fast. I'll tell you what they have. You're a 420 hit points, 110 damage. Boom. Level 1. That's level 1. Targets ground, range, melee. 2 of them, but they're really fast. Damage per second, 73. Hit speed, 1.5 seconds. And very fast. And deploy time is 1 second. And I may show you what arena it unlocks in. It unlocks in Royal. Unlocks in Royal Arena. The arena I'm in right now. So I'm guessing the Maddock is going to be, Electric Wizard is going to be in Arena 7 too. And then what's that new card that's going to be in the Frozen Peak Arena? Whatever. Goodbye, guys. Subscribe.